Hello everyone, your blonde bombshell back with you. Um, Probably won't be doing another one of these for a while. Going back to the heavy workout tomorrow night. Calm, calm. By heavy I mean, uh, I have to do my workout, people. I'm sorry. It's a must. It may not be 14 miles long on the bike, and it may not be 3 miles long on the Gazelle, but I have to do it. I miss it there. Right now I'm going stir crazy. Um, it's my only form of sanity when I'm not working out. I just feel like I got to do something around the house. But I want to send a shout out to Laura. I did not get to exercise today, so that's why I'm going stir crazy. But she did an awesome job on my hair. I hope you all got to see that. So I was looking for a song to sing for you all, and I came up with this next one. I don't think I've done it before. Um, I just found it. I was going through my karaoke, and I thought, I don't remember doing this one, and if I have, well, it's a chance to do it better than before, right? So here we go with Anne Murray. Could I have this dance for the rest of my life? I'll always remember the song they were playing the first time we danced, and I knew as we swayed to the music and held to each other, I fell in love with you. Could I have been sad for the rest of my life? Would you be my partner every night? When we're together, it feels so right. Could I have this for the rest of my life? I'll always remember that magic moment when I held you close to me as we moved together. I knew forever you're all I'll ever need. Could I have been sad for the rest of my life? Would you be my partner every night? When we're together, it feels so right. Could I have this for the rest of my life? Could I have this for the rest of my life? Would you be my partner every night? When we're together, it feels so right. Could I have this for the rest of my life? God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.